Assalamualaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. This is an English lecture, class 8, chapter number 2, and the topic is a dialogue. Today, our title is question answers and fill in the blanks. Okay, as you know that we have completed our translation of chapter 2. Now we move forward to answer the question. In this exercise there are 5 question answers. We have solved them one by one. In chapter number 2, question number 1 is, why did Qasim go to Saudi Arabia? Why did Qasim go to Saudi Arabia? Qasim Saudi Arab क्यों गया था? In this question, did is used as helping verb, and we all know that whenever did is used in the question, we use second form of the verb in the answer, and in this answer we will use second form of the verb, and the answer is he went there to see his parents. He went there to see his parents. के कासिम सऊदी अरब अपने वालिदैन से मिलने गया था. Question number 2. Why did Qasim come back to Saudi Arabia? कासिम सऊदी अरब से वापस क्यों आया? And in this question, did is used again, and we know that we will use second form of the verb in the answer, and answer is Qasim came back. Second form of the verb, second form of the come is came. Qasim came back to Saudi Arabia for his studies and exams. Qasim came back from Saudi Arabia for his studies and exams. कासिम अपनी पढ़ाई करने और इम्तिहान देने के लिए सऊदी अरब से वापस आया. What two subjects does Qasim find difficult? What two subjects does Qasim find difficult? In this question, does is used as helping verb, and we know that in answer we will use फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब प्लस एस आर ई एस. मतलब कि हम जब भी जवाब लिखेंगे तो इसमें हमें जब हेल्पिंग वर्ब मेन वर्ब के साथ एस या ई एस का इजाफा करना होगा. तो इसका जवाब, इसका मतलब ये है कि कासिम को कौन से 2 मज़ामीन मुश्किल लगते थे. एंड द आंसर इज़ इंग्लिश एंड मैथ्स. इंग्लिश एंड मैथ्स are 2 subjects that he finds tough. अंग्रेज़ी और रियाजी 2 मज़ामीन थे जो कि कासिम को मुश्किल लगते थे. Here finds, he finds tough, and we use s with the verb find. इंग्लिश और रियाजी कासिम को मुश्किल मज़ामीन लगते थे. And question number 4. What has Qasim decided to do after his studies? कासिम ने अपनी पढ़ाई के बाद क्या करने का फ़ैसला किया? And answer is, after his studies, Qasim wants to adopt the profession of medicine if he gets good marks. Otherwise, he would work in business or agriculture. We know that this question is in present tense, and answer is also in present tense. Present in here in present indefinite tense, the answer is used. After his studies, Qasim wants to adopt the profession of medicine. कि अपनी पढ़ाई के बाद कासिम तिब के शोबा में जाना चाहता था. इफ़ ही गेट्स गुड मार्क्स, ही गेट्स गुड मार्क्स, अगर वो अच्छे इम्तिहान लेता है, अगर वो अच्छे नंबर हासिल कर लेता है तो वो तिब के शोबा में जाना चाहता है। अदरवाइज बसूरत दिगर ही वुड वर्क इन बिजनेस आर एग्रीकल्चर, वो कारोबार या ज़राअत के शोबे में काम करेगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, वाई डज कासिम्स अंकल थिंक दैट आवर इंग्लिश हैज़ टू बी गुड। वाई डज कासिम्स अंकल, क्यों कासिम के चचा जान थिंक समझते हैं दैट आवर इंग्लिश हैज़ टू बी गुड, कि हमारी अंग्रेज़ी अच्छी होनी चाहिए। हेयर प्रेजेंट टेंस इज़ यूज्ड, प्रेजेंट टेंस मीन्स does is used. Whenever does is used in the question, we use first form of the verb plus s in the answer, and we add sres with the verb. Kasim's uncle, here is another thing, Kasim's uncle, when we use s with the noun, when we find s apostrophe s with the noun, we automatically understand this thing that here possession is shows, property is shows, our relation is showed. For example, Kasim's uncle mean Kasim के चचा जान, कासिम्स अंकल मीन कासिम के चचा क्यों समझते हैं कि उनकी अंग्रेज़ी अच्छी होनी चाहिए। एंड आंसर इज कासिम्स अंकल थिंक्स दैट a student should learn English thoroughly as it is the language of science and technology. कासिम के चचा जान समझते हैं कि एक तालिबे इल्म की अंग्रेज़ी मुकम्मल तौर पर अच्छी होनी चाहिए या उसे अच्छी तौर पर इसे सीखना चाहिए, मुकम्मल तौर पर सीखना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये साइंस और टेक्नोलॉजी की ज़ुबान है। Okay students, in this exercise we have answered the 5 questions. Now we will move forward and attempt our next portion. This portion is of objective. In objective portion, here is another question, and the question is, provide the correct tense in the blanks using the verb given within brackets with have or has. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि हमें करेक्ट यानी हमें सही टेंस का इंतखाब करते हुए हमारी फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स को मुकम्मल करना है, और वर्ब जो है ब्रैकेट में दिया गया है। ब्रैकेट में दिया हुआ वर्ब यूज़ करने के साथ साथ हमें हैज़ या हैव का इजाफा करना है, यानी हैज़ और हैव हेल्पिंग वर्ब के तौर पर लगाना है। हियर इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल, दे डैश फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड बाय प्लेन जस्ट नाउ। दे डैश फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड बाय प्लेन just now, and a verb is given, and the verb is arrive. This fill in the blanks is solved here. They have arrived, use helping verb have and third form of the verb arrive. Third form of the verb arrive is arrived. They have arrived from England बाय प्लेन जस्ट नाउ, के वो बरतानिया से बज़रिया जहाज़ यानी जहाज़ के ज़रिए अभी अभी पहुँचे हैं। दिस एग्जाम्पल इज सॉल्व्ड, बट वेन एवर वी सॉल्व आवर एक्सरसाइज वी विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड विच टेंस इज यूज्ड in these sentences and which form of verb we will use in the sentences. Here are 2 more important things, and dear students, we will know that This tense is present perfect tense. In present perfect tense, has, have are used as helping verb. In present perfect tense, helping verbs are used has or have. And with singular subject we use have, and with plural subject we use have. I repeat my words. We use has with singular subject, and the singular subject is he, she, it. And the singular subject is, the singular subjects are he, she, it. We can call these subjects or these pronouns as a third person singular. Next, I, we, they, you take have as helping verb. We use have with plural subjects. The plural subjects are I, we, they, you. सिंपल अल्फाज में ये बात है कि हम सिंगुलर यानी एक शख्स चीज़ या शख्स चीज़ के लिए, या जैसे ही लड़के के लिए, शी लड़की के लिए, इट बेजान चीज़ के लिए यूज़ होता है, ये थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है। इसके साथ हम सिंपली हैज़ लगाएंगे और बाकी सब जैसे कि आई, वी, दे, यू के साथ हैव लगाएंगे। यहाँ पे एक चीज़ और है, जैसे कि आई, वी, दे, यू, they and we, they are plural subjects, and we use have with these subjects. And I is a first person singular. With first person singular, mostly we use have. It is an exceptional case. And next rule is, third form the verb is used with has or have. Third form of the verb. Okay, now we fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First, we have watched an exciting football match today. Watch is the verb. The third form of the watch is watched, and we use have with we. We know that we use have with plural subject. We used have with plural subject. Here, have watched. We have watched an exciting football match today. आज हमने फुटबॉल का एक दिलचस्प मुकाबला देखा है। सेकंड, द क्लॉक हैज़ स्ट्रक 5. थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द स्ट्राइक इज स्ट्रक, and the clock is a singular subject, and we use has with the clock. The clock has struck 5. घड़ी ने 5 बजा दिए हैं. Third option is, the gardener has mown the lawn after a long time today. The gardener, माली, is a singular subject, and we use has. Has is used with singular subject he. The gardener has. Mow is the first form, and the third form of the mow is mown. मतलब काट छांट करना, पौधों की काट छांट करना, mown. The gardener has mown the lawn after a long time today. माली ने आज लंबे अरसे बाद सब्ज़ाज़ार की काट छांट की है. ऑप्शन नंबर 4, हैव यू एवर स्वम इन द रिवर. स्वम, swim, swam. Third form of the swim is swum, and we use have with you. You is the plural subject. Have you ever swum in the river? क्या तुम कभी दरिया में तैरे हो? और ऑप्शन नंबर 5, the milk has gone sour. We can't drink it. The milk is a singular subject and it takes has. Go is the verb and the third form of the go is gone. The milk has gone sour mean दूध खराब हो गया है. We can't drink it. हम इसे पी नहीं सकते. Next point is the butcher has slaughtered a cow for the meat. Slaughter is the verb and butcher is a singular subject. It takes has and then the third form of the slaughter is slaughtered. The butcher has slaughtered. Has third form of the verb, that is slaughtered. The butcher has slaughtered a cow for the meat. कसाब गोश्त के लिए एक गाय को ज़िबा कर चुका है. 7th option is he has published 2 books in this year. Publish is the verb. Published is the third form of the publish and he takes s. He is a singular subject and singular subject takes s and he has published 2 books this year. इस साल उसने 2 किताबें छापी हैं. ऑप्शन नंबर 8, I have not seen Zahid since he was 14. C is the verb. I already tell you that I takes have. I is considered an exceptional case here. It takes plural. It is considered as plural subject and it takes have in present perfect tense. I have not seen Zahid since he was 14. मैंने जाहिद को तब से नहीं देखा जब वो 14 साल का था. ऑप्शन नंबर 9, we have won the match. Win is the verb. Win is the verb and the third form of the win is won and we is plural subject and we takes have. So we have won the match. हम मुकाबला जीत चुके हैं. And the last point is and the last fill in the blank is Nosheen has finished her knitting and is now going to read a story book. Nosheen means she. Nosheen means she and she takes has. Nosheen has third form of the finish is finished. Nosheen has finished her knitting and is now going to read a story. नशीन ने अपनी बुनाई निटिंग मीन किसी भी चीज़ को बुनना, धागे के साथ सिलाई के साथ बुनना. नशीन ने अपनी बुनाई मुकम्मल कर ली है या वो मुकम्मल कर चुकी है और अब वो कहानी वाली एक किताब पढ़ने लगी है. डियर स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स एंड fill in the blanks are completed. Okay, so students, learn the questions, answers and attempt your fill in the blanks on your notebook. See you later with a new lesson. Allah Hafiz.